Hello, and welcome to Rebel Unicorn Crafts. Today I want to show you a super fun abstract painting to make that will also greatly improve your brush control. For this super fun exercise, you're going to want to mix up 2 to 3 colors that are going to look nice together and grab a round brush. I'm using a size 12. Most round brushes will work great for this exercise. Fill your round brush up with a bunch of one of those colors. Work on something where you're going to be able to get across the page without running out of color. Then you're going to take just the tip of that brush and drag it so you get a super fine line before you push down, lift and drag, push down, lift and drag with the tip again, all the way across the page. Then you're going to switch colors, and you want to do the same thing, but you're going to alternate. Instead of where you dragged with the tip, you're going to push down, then lift on the other part where you had pushed down. And this is going to kind of complete this puzzle. This is a really good technique to have down for doing some different things with the brush, and this is a great fun way to practice, plus it makes such a cute little painting. Go ahead and repeat this across the page until you have filled the whole thing. If you mess up, it's okay. Look, I even messed up here on mine. I just did a second one to give myself another bit of practice. You're not always going to be perfect at this, but the more that you do practice, the better your results are going to be, and it'll give you some more abilities in your painting. So I hope you enjoyed doing this. Do you have any other brush control techniques that you like to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more testing videos where I test out different variables for fluid painting, want to see any watercolor tutorials, or some other art supply testing, subscribe to my channel. Or if you just want to see some of the art that I create, it's really varied. You can follow me either at Lacey Walker Art or at Rebel Unicorn Crafts on Instagram, or Rebel Unicorn Crafts on TikTok, where I make some funny videos as well as some tool talk videos. And I hope that you have a magically creative day.